This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Will. Let's talk about Easybot and their second year anniversary. They're planning a lot of things. They have crypto contests, they have prizes, they have giveaways. During this video, I want to talk about the Bitcoin price prediction contest. We all gonna have the chance to win a 500 worth of Bitcoin. I'm going to explain how you can participate, who can participate, all the steps, all the dates. I will give you all that information. A lot of stuff going on thanks to this second year anniversary. They just released a lifetime membership discount. They have these 4 different licenses, but the VIP package is going from 995 USDT a year to a 750 USDT yearly. This is a limited time offer, only active until the 15th of March. If you get this package before the 15th of March, we're gonna keep paying the 750 lifetime. After the 15th of March, this promo is going to disappear. I wanted to take advantage of this opportunity and I already upgraded. I went from the advanced package to the VIP. Now I have access to 25 bots inside this package and I can see already some improvements in the results. Today I'm completing 70 days inside Easybot. During these 70 days, these are my results. My capital is sitting in around 8,000. In the last few days, I've been having bigger profits due to the market volatility. Only today we have a profit of 24 USDT. You can see right here the coins that I have actively running. Only 2 days running with these 3 pairs. I have Uni, I have ETC, I have this one called Chili. Really happy with the results, and this is how I'm preparing for the next bull run. Easybot is doing a fantastic job with the winning strategies. They always close trades on profits. Our crypto is always safe. We have full control inside our accounts. We have connections with different exchange platforms. I'm only using Binance. With Binance, the minimum amount that we can assign to a bot is 600 USDT. With the other exchange platforms, you can assign a minimum of 200. Well, maybe in another video I can give you a more in-depth tour about all of this. What I want to show you now is the contest, the Bitcoin price prediction contest, where we can get a 500 in Bitcoin. Who can participate? Anyone can participate. If you decide to join Easybot before the 15th of March, you are also eligible to be part of this contest. And we're gonna know who's the winner on the 16th of March, which is the date of the 2-year celebration. When you are in the main dashboard, you will find here something called announcements and updates. The way to participate is simple. We just need to click in this first link, 500 in Bitcoin, enter to win. That is going to take you directly to this Google Sheets document. This is where we need to submit our information. Super simple. Submit your best guess at the price of Bitcoin on March 16th, 2024 at 4:30 p.m. UTC time and earn the chance to win 500 in Bitcoin. Track the price of Bitcoin in real time here. This is CoinMarketCap. There you can see all that has been happening with Bitcoin since they got started. The last year, the evolution during the last 7 days has been amazing at 21%. All we need to do is just guess. Guess what's going to happen. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting in 62,000. Do you think the price is going to go up? Do you think the price is going to go down? They have a short video here explaining all that we need to do, which is basically just fill up this form, provide the email that you use to open your account. You need to enter your Easybot user ID. When you are here in the dashboard, clicking these 2 lines, then you're going to go to my account. In this page, you're going to click in my profile. And the first thing you're going to see right on top is your ID. You're going to copy that one, paste it in this box. Now we have the My Bitcoin price prediction entry. It needs to match the price or as close as we can to the price in this coming March 16th at 4:30 p.m. UTC time. As they say here, be as specific as possible. So type it right there, go next. In the next page, we are going to have some additional entries. Price prediction entry number 2. Earn this additional entry if you have one or more active bots within 15 days of drawing. Put the price there. To get a third chance, you need to have the Bitcoin growth bot, the pair that is trading Ethereum Bitcoin, active in the last 15 days before the drawing. Put that price there. If you are a team builder, there is another chance for you to get another entry. If anyone in your team upgrade to a bigger license, then you can use this other slot. And the last one, if you have active referrals in the last 15 days, then you can add another prediction price right here. You don't need to fill out all of these requirements to participate. These last two are more for the team builders. But if you're new, it's alright. You can just share your email, your user ID, and give your best prediction. Who knows? Probably you can win this 500 USDT worth of Bitcoin. Good luck to all of you. And as usual, I'm going to come back here to show you my progress and my earnings inside Easybot. Before we go, I want to invite you to subscribe, like, and share. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. That's all we have for now in this video. Have a fantastic day. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you around.